Hi guys, today we're going to go through creating this beautiful look using all natural makeup products. Using natural and organic makeup products nowadays does not mean you have to sacrifice quality. There are some really beautiful and really great quality natural makeup products out there. I specifically love the Mav foundation products. They are divine. I have always had a bit of a thing for them. The primer is incredible. So I thought let's just use all products from Mav to give you an example of what an amazing look we can create using all natural and organic products. I want my skin to be dewy, but I want it to last all day. So I'm going to prime my skin with the Mav Bioactive Primer. So this primer has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it, which means it hydrates the skin and it infuses moisture deep down within the layers. For my base, I'm going to use the Organic BB Cream. This color is medium and I find it's a good color for my skin. You can apply it with your fingers, but I'm going to use a sponge to apply it today. For something that feels so lightweight on my skin, it actually gives me a really quite good coverage. This is the beautiful Mav Bioactive Concealer. I'm going to use this to conceal around my eyes. I love this product. The mineral particles in it really reflect the light and counteract dark circles, which is so good for me. Now I'm going to finish my base with the Mav Mineral Powder Foundation in medium. Mineral powder foundations are such an unsung hero. I think that they are seriously underrated. They are the only type of foundation that will not clog your skin. They absorb excess oil that comes out of your skin evenly across the face, so you'll never get a shiny T-zone. They're sun protective, they're sweat proof, you can wear them while you exercise and it will not affect your skin. It will not come off in even the hottest Australian summer day. I just think more people should use them, and I think that because of the different application method, it's a powder and traditionally powders were quite drying on the skin. People need to get used to them because mineral powders are actually really dewy and give you a really radiant finish. So I just like to tap a little bit into the lid, press my brush into it, my brush a little tap to get the excess off, and then you just swipe it down your face, pressing it on in downward strokes starting from your forehead. That coverage is beautiful. It looks really natural but really perfect. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a sun-kissed glow to my winter skin with the Mav Sun-Kissed Bronzer. I'm just going to use the same method as I did with the mineral foundation to apply it, using a clean brush, but I'm going to apply it in a C shape around my forehead and under my cheekbone, and then a larger C shape around my forehead and along my jawline. Now I'll just quickly use some of the Mav mattifying powder to place on my nose just to make sure it doesn't get shiny during the day. I want that radiance and dewiness all over the rest of my face, but I just don't want any dewiness down this part, so I'm going to do that now. And that's done. Today I'm going to create a matte black smoky eye. These are the Mav loose eyeshadow pots, and I'm going to use the color Matte Black. My favorite tip when I'm applying dark eyeshadows, and I've already done my base, is to press a cotton pad just up under my eye while I do my eyeshadow. The trick to nicely applied eyeshadow is definitely having the right brushes and finishing off your blending with a nice fluffy brush like this. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of eyeliner to my waterline and my lash line. Now just finish the eye makeup off with a good coat of mascara. Now I think this look is almost finished. It just needs a splash of lip color. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this look. I absolutely love it. It's really making my blue eyes pop, and I just think the beautiful warmth in my base is, I don't know, doing something for me. So I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys soon.